Deep Nature Journeys. 1 and 5 day solo retreats offering you a sacred and wild space for deep rest and contemplation, reconnecting to the elemental world of nature while reinvigorating, refreshing, and reframing your life and your world. Join wilderness guide and leadership trainer Bud Wilson on Saturday, August 18th and 19th for our overnight solo journey at the Dharma Center in Ward, 27 miles west of Boulder, Colorado. You'll have a rare opportunity to quiet your mind while opening your heart, being held and nurtured by the healing power of nature while learning skills to better navigate change, strengthen relationships, and align with your next higher level of performance and productivity upon your return. For more information and inspiration, please call Deep Nature Journeys founder and wilderness guide Bud Wilson at 303-521-8461 or at www.deepnaturejourneys.com.